Yeah, I can see.
Hi, can you see now?
Yeah.
So today we have got this box of iftar. We have ordered it from BBQ Nation, and it looks really interesting and very intriguing. So Anaya is going to unbox it today, and she'll take us through the unboxing process. Will you?
So hey guys, I'm going to take this out.
One second. Let's check out the box first, no?
Yeah. It has appetizers. There's 6 appetizers. There's 3 curries. There's 1 biryani. There's 3 desserts and 2 breads. Okay, now let's start. Ooh. What are these? There's like what's this? Wow. Cupcake. I love it. What's this? Whatever it is, I don't know.
No, you have to explain everything, no? So this looks like a date barfi. Khajur ki barfi, yeah. It looks like a date barfi.
I'm Indian. Oh, it's chocolate cake. I love that. What's this?
That looks like some kind of chutney.
What's in here?
That would be parathas.
Can I open it?
No, you don't have to open it right now.
But then it won't be unboxing video.
No, it is unboxing. No, there are a lot of stuff. Don't.
What's this?
That's another kind of chutney.
Ooh, what's this? It looks yummy.
Yeah. So that is moong dal ka halwa, I guess.
And this is?
This is gulab jamun.
And there's still so more. See, in the down. OMG.
Yep.
Oh. What's this? Looks like there's a bunch in here. Wow, there's so much. OMG.
That must be the chicken curry.
There's 1 curry.
So we'll open all the boxes later on. First of all, we'll take out all the boxes that are inside.
Then we'll make another video of it.
Yes.
Yay! Because I really like opening this. OMG. Ah!
You have to be careful.
What's this? Open it.
No.
Okay, fine. Look, there's this. Iftar is going to start right now, so that's why we're going to open it and make another video. Wow, there's still more. There's another box of this, and this is the last one. But the more fun video will be like opening these up. So yeah.
So for now.
Yeah. Close it.